Hello all. In this video, we are going to view scenes. Scenes are batch operations where multiple actions of multiple accessories can be performed with a single command. Scenes can be created and edited by the end user from touch panel user interface or by integrator from programming interface. In core operating system, scene structure has been comprehensively arranged. Each activity performed in scene is named as action. Actions to be performed in a scene can be initiated as soon as the scene run or after a specified delay time. For this, multiple actions is defined as action groups. The delay time is then determined, which determines how long after each action group will be performed after the scene run. In this way, multiple actions that are initiated at different times can be performed in a single scene. To create a scene, click on the Scenes section. When you click on the plus button, the scene creation wizard opens. In the first step, name, icon, and the room of the scene is determined. Then, whether the scene is a favorite, visible, or invisible in user interface, and whether the settings can be edited by end user is determined. After all, click Next button to proceed. In the second step, whether the action group is delayed or not, if there is a delay, duration of delay is determined. Then, accessories that will perform action are selected. After all, click Next button to proceed. In the third step, the actions of selected accessories are selected. If multiple actions are selected for an accessory, you can view the actions by clicking button on accessory. After all, click Next button to proceed. In the fourth step, it is decided to complete the scene or add a new action group. Check scene information and make changes before saving scene. Created action groups are listed. These action groups can be modified or deleted. A new action group with different delay time can be added. After all, click Next button to proceed. You can edit previously added scene from programming interface. You can edit the information you want by clicking on the icon shown. You can delete a previously created scene from programming interface. Click the button shown in the Actions column of the scene you want to delete. Scene will be deleted after confirming delete process in the confirmation box. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.